Do your legs feel heavy or swollen by the end of the day? Are your joints aching, popping, or stiff when you wake up in the morning? While it's easy to blame these nagging symptoms on age alone, there's a good chance that what you're eating or not eating is playing a much bigger role than you realize. Today, we'll uncover how people over 50 can fight joint pain and swelling by adding just 10 simple, collagen-rich foods to their daily diet. When you make these choices, you can help your body restore flexibility, reduce inflammation, and regain the freedom to move comfortably, no matter your age. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. Think of it as the scaffolding that holds you together, supporting your joints, keeping your skin firm and elastic, and reinforcing your bones and connective tissues. But as the years go by, your body's collagen production naturally declines. By age 50 and beyond, this decline can lead to stiffer joints, achy knees, swelling in the ankles and hands, and even fine lines and sagging skin. Thankfully, you can give your body the building blocks it needs to make more collagen simply by eating the right foods. Let's explore the top 10 collagen-rich foods that research and tradition agree can make a real difference for your joints, your skin, and your overall comfort. First on the list is bone broth. This traditional food has made a big comeback for a reason. Bone broth is made by simmering the bones and connective tissues of chicken, beef, or fish for several hours, sometimes even a whole day. This slow cooking process draws out gelatin, glycine, and proline, amino acids that are essential for building and repairing your body's own collagen. Bone broth is also rich in minerals that support bone health and joint flexibility. Many people find that sipping a cup of bone broth daily can help soothe joint aches and even improve gut health, which is closely linked to inflammation. Next, consider adding salmon with the skin left onto your plate. Wild-caught salmon is prized for its omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in your joints. But there's another secret. The skin of the salmon contains type 1 collagen, which is the same type found in your own skin and connective tissues. When you eat salmon with the skin, you're delivering not just healthy fats, but also the collagen your joints and skin crave. The powerful combination of omega-3s and collagen can help you move more freely and keep your skin looking smooth and resilient. Egg yolks are another simple and affordable way to support collagen production. While egg whites are often celebrated for their protein, the yolk is where you'll find biotin, choline, and sulfur. These nutrients help your body break down and rebuild collagen efficiently. Biotin, in particular, is famous for strengthening hair and nails, but it also plays a crucial role in maintaining joint and skin health as you age. Don't skip the yolk, your joints will thank you. Staying hydrated is essential for healthy, flexible joints, and coconut water is a delicious way to do just that. Coconut water is packed with electrolytes, like potassium, magnesium, and sodium, that help maintain the proper balance of fluids in your body. Proper hydration keeps your cartilage soft and pliable, reducing friction and wear inside your joints. Plus, coconut water contains cytokinins, plant compounds that may help protect collagen structure from stress and inflammation. Sunflower seeds are a small but mighty snack that can have a big impact on your body's ability to protect and repair collagen. These seeds are loaded with vitamin E, zinc, and selenium, antioxidants and minerals that shield your existing collagen from damage and help your body produce new collagen fibers. Zinc is especially important for tissue repair and immune function, while selenium helps prevent cellular damage that can accelerate aging in your joints and skin. Acerola cherries might not be as familiar, but they are one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C on the planet. Vitamin C is absolutely vital for collagen production. Your body can't make collagen without it, and even a mild deficiency can slow down repair and renewal. Just a handful of acerola cherries delivers more vitamin C than an orange, helping your body rebuild and maintain strong, resilient collagen in your joints, skin, and blood vessels. Berries of all kinds, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are also wonderful for supporting your body's collagen. They're high in vitamin C and loaded with antioxidants, which prevent enzymes from breaking down collagen in your skin and joints. Inflammation is a major factor in joint pain and swelling, and the polyphenols in berries help calm inflammation at its source. Enjoying a variety of berries every day can help keep your joints supple and your skin glowing. Avocados are another superstar for joint and skin health. These creamy fruits are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which help preserve collagen by locking moisture into your tissues. Avocados are also a good source of vitamin E, which works alongside vitamin C to protect collagen from damage and keep your skin soft and elastic. Adding avocado to your meals can help reduce joint stiffness and keep your connective tissues flexible. Horsetail tea might sound unusual, but this ancient herbal remedy has been used for centuries to strengthen bones, nails, and connective tissues. Horsetail contains high levels of silica, a mineral that plays a key role in collagen formation and bone strength. Silica helps your body rebuild and stabilize collagen fibers, making it especially helpful for people dealing with joint pain, osteoporosis, or brittle nails. Sipping horsetail tea regularly can support your body's natural repair process from the inside out. Finally, don't overlook chicken skin and cartilage. While many people discard the skin when preparing chicken, it's actually one of the richest sources of natural collagen you can eat. Traditional dishes like chicken feet soup or slow-cooked stews often include parts of the chicken that are full of cartilage and connective tissue. These cuts release collagen and gelatin into the broth as they cook, providing your joints and tendons with exactly what they need to rebuild and stay strong. If you enjoy chicken, try to include some of the skin and cartilage in your meals from time to time. Your body will put those nutrients to good use. Now, you might be wondering how to fit these 10 foods into your daily routine without completely overhauling your diet. The good news is that most of these options are easy to find at your local grocery store and can be incorporated into meals you already love. Start your day with a breakfast that includes eggs with the yolks left in. Sprinkle sunflower seeds over yogurt or oatmeal and add a side of mixed berries for an antioxidant boost. For lunch or dinner, enjoy a serving of baked salmon with the skin on, paired with a salad of leafy greens and avocado slices. Sip coconut water to stay hydrated, and brew a cup of horsetail tea as a soothing afternoon ritual. Make a hearty soup or stew with bone broth or chicken, skin, cartilage, and all. And for a sweet treat, look for acerola cherries or their juice at your health food store. As you begin adding these collagen-rich foods to your diet, pay attention to how your body responds. Many people notice less morning stiffness, reduced swelling in their hands and feet, and greater freedom of movement within just a few weeks. Over time, you may also see improvements in your skin's elasticity and hydration, as well as stronger nails and healthier hair. Of course, nutrition is just one piece of the puzzle. Staying active, maintaining a healthy weight, and getting enough sleep are all important for joint health. But nourishing your body with the right foods provides the raw materials it needs to repair and renew itself at any age. It's never too late to start supporting your joints, your skin, and your well-being from the inside out. By making these 10 foods a regular part of your meals, you can rebuild your joints, relieve swelling, and walk with renewed strength and confidence. You'll not only feel better, but you'll also set yourself up for a more active, vibrant, and independent future. So, the next time you feel those aches and pains creeping in, remember, you have more power to change your body's story than you might think. Every meal is an opportunity to give your body what it needs to heal. Try adding 1 or 2 of these collagen-rich foods this week and build from there. Your joints and your entire body will thank you. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering health tips designed especially for those over 50. Your journey to a more comfortable, flexible, and confident life starts with the choices you make today.